Dust on my boots, gold on my soul. Riding through the fire, never losing control. Old Town Road where the legends unfold. I was born in the dirt, now I'm chasing the gold. Thunder in my heart, bass hit like a storm. Leather on my back, I was raised to perform. City lights flicker, but I never look back. I'm the ghost in the wind on a one-way track. Grit on my tongue, fire in my veins. Turn pain to a crown, I don't need no change. They try to break me, I roll through the night. Now I shine too bright, I define that fight. I walk that line between sin and glory. Every scar that I wear tell my story. Ain't no fame that can buy my soul. Just a man on a ride with a heart of gold on the Old Town Road. I ride alone, smoke in the air, my spirit grown. I've been down that path, through fire and bone. Still I rise, yeah, I'm coming home. Old Town Road, never looking back. Dreams on my saddle, life on my back. I'm a king with no throne, I stand on my own. Old Town Road, that's my home. Echoes in the canyon, shadows call my name. Told me I'd be nothing, now they chant my flame. Gold dust flow when I spit that truth. Ain't no myth, I'm the proof in the booth. Rims spin slow, but my heart run fast. Turning every downfall into contrast. No fear, no change, just scars that show what it means to rise when the cold winds blow. Ride till I can't no more, that's my creed. Every wound I bleed